Okay, all right, everyone. Thanks. Okay, all right, everyone. Thanks for being here today. So let's get going. Does everyone know Dr. Alia Pramita Majid? This is Dr. Alia Pramita Majid, new doctor in here.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Aulia Pramita Majid. I'm here to give direction on immune stands for employees during the COVID pandemic.
Dr. Alia, this is Nadia and Halim, my partner in here.
Halo Dr. Aulia.
Hello Halim and Nadia, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Doctor.
Okay. I have apologies from Dinda and Alistair. They are in the hotel for quarantine. Today's meeting to talk about increasing our immune resistance during the COVID pandemic.
Excuse me, what should we do during this COVID pandemic?
Okay, thank you. First, we have to wear a mask, then keep your distance from each other.
Excuse me, right at the office, we often meet a lot of people. So, what the solution?
From this diagram, we can conclude that more and more are affected by COVID. This is two charts affected by COVID. May to September experienced a gradual decline. In July to September, it was very drastic because there was an input of vaccine from the government, so it was slightly reduced. How will you work from home?
Do you mind if you work from home?
Yes, I agree with working from home. Some can work in the office and some of the staff can also work at home according to their respective schedule.
So, what about our immune system?
I will give some vitamin to the staff.
If one of the staff feels unwell, you can check chalk the hospital provided by our office at the expense of the office.
The office should also provide hotel facilities for staff affected by COVID.
Yes, it's true. And also send some vitamin and supplements from here.
Thanks for the input.
Hopefully, with this project, we can work well and keep spirit.
We will pray that our friends who are affected by it get well soon and the world it's getting better soon, so we can gather again as usual.
Keep the spirit and keep the protocol.
We will distribute vitamins starting tomorrow. Thank you all. Good luck. Okay. Next meeting, I will to leave and the meeting to Miss Nadia.
Okay, guys, good afternoon. Thank you for attending the meeting this afternoon. This meeting, I want to continue last week's meeting. During the pandemic, the number of employees affected by COVID, so that some employees have to work from home without reducing employees' performance, and next year will be held. Training for employees in order to increase the ability of employees to work an IT system improvement that is no less important.
How about the amounts of budget need for employee training?
Okay, we will discuss the amount of the budget at this meeting. Meeting participant can provide input about this.
Looking at the previous year, in my opinion, the amount of budget we need is 10% bigger than the previous year.
Is the 10% greater enough to be society regarding the improvement of the IT system in the training?
The amount of the budget is 10% larger than the previous year, not included in the improvement of the IT system.
For IT system, we can combine it with the total budget for training because upgrading the IT system requires a fairly large budget.
Yes, that's right. For training, we will set the budget amount to be 10% bigger than the previous year.
Then, what about the budget for IT system improvement?
It is better if the budget for improving the IT system can be evaluated from the previous year when there was no COVID-19 pandemic.
Well, then what if the IT system budget increases by 50% from the previous years? How? Because the current pandemic requires a very good IT system so that employees' work is not distributed.
Okay, if everyone agrees, and thank you for giving the respective opinion. So many meeting this afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.